Right, today we're gonna have a simple recipe with stuffed cabbage. Just a normal small dish, nothing fancy about it, so let's just start the recipe. First of all, you're gonna need some stuffed cabbage. You can find it on the store, it doesn't matter, or you can make one, but it's gonna take a complicated process. Dice it into chunks and you wanna fry it on high heat inside of a pan. You can also add olive oil and regular cooking oil, doesn't matter. I prefer cooking oil because it's less smelly. The cabbage already smells, but you know, the olive oil is gonna give it extra flavor, but it's gonna taste a bit interesting to say the least, not to say weird. So then you wanna add some rice, not too much, 100 to 200 grams, doesn't matter, just add as much as you want, and then you want to fry it along with the cabbage. After a while you want to add some diced bacon, as much as you want, and then you want to fry it till it picks up a slightly nicer color. Don't fry it too much, alright? After a while of frying, you want to season it with some salt and pepper. And you want to also add some red pepper. You can use cayenne pepper or regular red pepper, it doesn't matter what kind of pan you use, just if it makes the color a bit red. After that you want to transfer it into a pan, and then you want to pour in some water, and then you want to bake it to around 200-250 degrees for about half an hour to 1 hour, depending on how much you are planning to bake it on. It's not really gonna take too much, and that's what all this recipe is. Just really quick. Just a really quick dish, and it tastes nice. This is more of a last resort meal if you have nothing to eat and you want to make something that's really quick. So yeah, that's about it.